Stan Speck with another natural history moment, and that is Au Sable Chasm, or the waterfall at the head of Au Sable Chasm. I guess below me, that's Au Sable Chasm. And back in the 1940s and 50s and 60s, people got into motor touring, and sites like this on the East Coast became really popular. Auto touring, the Mohawk Trail in Massachusetts, upstate New York's scenic wonders. Well, with the advent of transoceanic flight, people have forgotten all about the scenic wonders of our own country. Corona seems to have brought them back, but I'm standing here at Au Sable Chasm on a summer night all by myself. It is beautiful, but that's the power of water and another natural history moment.